Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and how are you? Fine. I'm sure you will be fine as you will. Class 6, as you know, I'm your English teacher, 7C. Dear students, today inshallah we are going to be having our start the word a new chapter and unit by the name of now. By the name of now. Before starting the lecture, dear students, I would like to be share a few words with you and I would like to be uh, discuss some few or major points about this unit. And let me tell you one thing more. This is not a prose. Basically, it is a poem. Remember that. It is basically is going to be called what? It is a poem by the name of now. By the name of now. What is now? It is no. Remember, there are two different words in English. What is called now? Now, N-O-W. Now means that's called a word. But it's no. No is a word that is an adjective. That is an adjective. स्टूडेंट्स पहली बार सबसे जो बड़ी मैंने बेटा पहली बार मरतबा बेटा आपको बताया था कि जब भी बेटा आप किसी चीज़ को पढ़े सबसे पहले द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जैक्टली concentrate my words what I exactly want you to say what I'm trying to कि बेटा आपने एक चीज़ को पढ़ना नहीं है बल्कि एक चीज़ को समझना है दैट्स द बेसिक थिंग having a lot of knowledge but doesn't mean but to understand that knowledge is very important किसी चीज़ को बेटा पढ़ना या मतलब आप ये ज़रूरी नहीं बल्कि बेटा किसी चीज़ को समझना ये बहुत ज़रूरी बेटा यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड द वर्ड तो बेटा मैंने जिस तरह आपको बताया कि एक हमारे पास नाउ है नाउ नाउ NWO वो एडवर्ब है एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम इसको बेटा आप कहते हैं बट इट्स नो नो इज बेसिकली दैट इज एन एडजेक्टिव ये बेटा एडजेक्टिव है नो and this is what a short poem which is written by Thomas Hood. Thomas Hood's work is one of the best versatile word poem in English history. So poet in English history which been remembered or is being remembered for a long time and it has still. And this poem the writer tell us about what? About the month of November. द मंथ ऑफ नवंबर बेटा ये जो शॉर्ट फॉर्म है जिसको बेटा हम नाउ कहते हैं सो नो इज़ अ बेसिकली नो नो एक बेटा शॉर्ट फॉर्म है जो कि तामस हुड ने लिखा है और किसके बारे में ये नवंबर महीने के बारे में वो बता हाउ डज इट सीम हाउ इट सीम्स टू बी what is exactly going on what's happening how is the weather these all things are we discussed in this word in this poem and word the poet exactly tell us about the word about the month of the November. How is the weather and this how is the word the condition the temperature of earth all of these things are going to be discussed in this poem whether इस पोम में इस नज़म में शायद जो है मेरा वो हमें नवंबर का जो मेरा महीना है उसके बारे में बताते मेरा कि किस तरह होता है how how are the situation how are the conditions how are the temperatures how are the environment how are the mean how is the bird means the the weather how people are thinking how their concept how their sense how their means temperature how their reaction about what about this November how the people feel एंड इट्स ओके कि बेटा ये किस तरह का महीना है इसमें क्या होता है लोग इसके बारे में किस तरह फील करते हैं इसमें जो है ना मौसम किस तरह रहता है बेटा environment किस तरह होती है बेटा all of these are what are be discussed by what by this writer you know that November is a word a kind of word month which have always been word you know chord and word you know that okay there is something very and the rain also is going to go out to be happen in this word and this the November month snowing lot of snowing happen what especially in the London city Okay, and this word, Thomas Hobbes' word, discuss something about what, or tell us about what, about the London city. What is exactly happening? What are happening? And the city of London. You know that it always been called, always been word snowing. Huh? The people are war, not there, they don't come out their houses. They are not be able to come out to meet one another. They will not be able to go to their work. The means, the ways, the routes are being were stopped. The cars cannot be were traveling. The people are not be traveling. They go to work. Everything were be, and there must be completely solid in this world. And this November month, कि बेटा ये जो नवंबर मंथ है, ये हमें बेटा जो शायर है थॉमस होरे, वो लंदन के बारे में बताते कि उस जब नवंबर आता है तो लंदन में किस तरह का बेटा क्या होता है, माहौल होता है या मतलब इधर होता है। हर चीज़ बेटा स्टॉप होती है कि जाहिर बात है बहुत बारिश बहुत ज़्यादा होती है बेटा। लोगों का घर से निकलना ये बहुत मुश्किल होता है बेटा। ना कोई, no one can be go out to travel anywhere. They cannot be go out to get anything anywhere. They cannot be go out visit anywhere. Friends, anyone, and someone else. They are what? They are being staying out at home. कि मेरा हर जो बर्फ़ मेरा वहाँ पर क्या होती है, बर्फ़ होती है तो ज़ाहिर बात है जब बर्फ़ बहुत ज़्यादा होती है तो बेटा क्या होता है मेरा, रास्ते बंद हो जाते हैं, लोगों के लिए तकलीफ पैदा होती है मेरा। It has to create a problem for the world, for the people, which cannot be taken word easily. So that's why this is what it was, a kind of short introduction about the poem of the no. तो बेटा ये क्या था, ये छोटी सी, ये थोड़ी सी बेटा क्या थी, इंट्रोडक्शन थी। किसके बारे में? नो पोम के बारे में, नो पोम के बारे में थी जो कि थॉमस होब ने लिखा था। तो इंशाल्लाह tomorrow we will have to start the lecture from the very starting, from the very means, from the very first paragraph, and okay, along with the word, with the grammatical meanings, and more with the grammatical points, all always been discussed, and what inshallah it has to be discussed what tomorrow. Okay, so inshallah meet you again tomorrow, and Khudafis. Thank you so much.